Welcome to Lovely
Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Kakauwi ko lang galing ng trabaho. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Hello, my baba. Tulog ka? Tulog siya sa...
Sabi ko kay ate, matutulog ako. Hindi man niya bantayan sa ate.
Tulog siya, guys. Guys, nag-edit na ako ng video para mamaya meron kayo mapanood and naka-work clothes pa ako, hindi pa ako nakakapagpalit kasi gusto ko naman guys na maaga siya. Ayoko nang too late naman para mapanood ninyo. So this vlog is maiksi lang naman kasi ito yung vlog nung birthday ni Kathy and birthday ng sister-in-law ko. So malapit na ako matapos guys, and si Habi nagpapahinga kasi sobrang aga niyang pumapasok every single day guys, mga diling araw pa lang. So nagpapahinga siya ngayon, and then while nagpapahinga siya and after kung matapos lahat to, punta kami ng mga bata kay Ate Mare, which she lives 2 minutes away from me. May asikasuhin lang kami para doon sa Kangaroo Island kasi on April guys, Easter weekend, sa Kangaroo Island kami magse-celebrate. So exciting yan kasi first time ko, and yun, ito na guys, nag-upload na siya and gumagawa na lang tayo ng thumbnail here. Okay guys, nabasa ko lahat yung mga comments niyo on my previous vlogs and especially on my work nung nag-vlog ako sa harap ng boss, and some of you commented na hindi ko nire-respeto yung privacy ng mga katrabaho ko, which I totally disagree guys. I do respect people's privacy. I know how to be ethical and alam ko yung mga work ethics. It's just that nung meeting guys, na brought up yung YouTube channel ko and sabi ng manager ko, do you have your camera with you? And hindi ko dala kasi wala talaga akong planong mag-vlog and nahihiya pa rin talaga ako mag-vlog in front of them. Sobrang awkward for me and ayoko nga pinag-uusapan yung YouTube channel ko sa trabaho. But it was brought up and sabi ng manager namin, sige na, go get your camera or your phone para makapag-vlog and feature them. So yun guys, it's just part of my daily routine. So you will see a few clips of me working or minsan ako lang, yung just my daily life kasi part naman yung trabaho ko on what I do now. Hindi katulad before na lagi lang ako nasa bahay. So yun, huwag kayong mag-alala, I won't be doing things na hindi ako nag-ask ng permission sa ibang tao. They are the ones who ask me to feature them kasi tuwang-tuwa sila guys pag napapag-usapan yung YouTube. Kakaiba para sa kanila and ano sila na meron silang katrabaho na YouTuber. So very very new para sa kanila yon and na-excite sila. So yun guys, but I do understand all your concerns and lahat naman ng mga comments ninyo and mga suggestion ninyo ay isinasa puso ko at iniintindi ko. So, yun guys. Thank you all for the support. I-upload ko na to. And there. So guys, dadaan muna tayo ng grocery bago tayo pumunta kanila Ate Mari. Bibili lang tayo ng mga konting stuff para pangbaon ng mga bata bukas, mga prutas, biskwit, yun guys, and yung smiley loaf nila para meron silang baon, and dadiretso na tayo kay Ate Mari guys. Okay, kita na kami sa grocery guys. Bumibili lang ako ng mga prutas, grapes, watermelon, tsaka strawberry. So, yun. Pang ano lang guys, pang baon-baon lang ng mga bata and para kay Aliyah din kasi mahilig sila sa prutas. We need bread ate. Kasama ko pala si ate. Say hi ate. Yan guys. So guys, konti lang yung pamimili natin. Bumili lang ako ng a few stuff. Tapos, bibili ng tinapay. And tapos na guys. Sit down, Aliyah. Sit down. Sit down. Hold on. Oh, hindi. Okay, pakita. Okay, hold on. So, yun guys. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery. May pangbaon na yung mga bata bukas. So, let's go to Ate Mari na. Okay. Doon na kami guys.
Yeah. Is it okay to record you?
Yeah.
Not like video, pero like ano lang.
Yung voice? Yeah. That's right. So, I have to speak in English, right?
Oh, yeah.
May pa-interview kasi siya sa akin guys. Kasi magmi-midwifery siya. Where's my Ate Maria? Hi, pare!
Nag-homework lang.
Oh, okay. Tingnan ako sa kanila. Dito na ako kanila, Ate Mare! Hello! Hi, guys. Crazy craze. Yung mga may pa-roll call na ba sila, guys? Nakompleto na ba yung roll call mo, Ate Mars?
6 days na ako hindi nakapag-vlog.
Bakit?
Yung napa-fluctuate yata yung aking blood pressure pag let's say mga 12 midnight or 11. Kaya gusto ko na lang matulog.
Ay, wag mo na
Hindi ako
i-push
nakapag-edit.
masyado. I-edit mo sa umaga lang. Nag-vlog niya ako sa kanila. May pa-interview sa akin mamaya si Maxine.
Oo, kasi
English speaking. Ano ba yan? Is it blurry, be?
Di naman.
No.
Yung background?
Ano ba yan,
so.
Ah, okay.
I can't see his phone.
Amang nako. Kaya
Lapit na yung kangaroo natin, Ate Mar.
Oy, sabi ni pare Christian, "My, I'm looking forward for our kangaroo. Do you think I can get a fish?" Sabi ni Jason. You can fill up the esky, man. Say, how about squid? Sabi ni Jason. I'm not sure with that. Bagay.
Excited siya.
Oo, looking forward daw siya talaga.
Kasi
sabi ko
dyan
naman,
siya madidivirginize ng
sabi ko,
fishing niya.
diyan ka na mabivirginize sa fishing mo. Kasi ano,
Imposible talagang hindi ko
Oo,
makakuha.
ang sabi naman ni Jason, sabi niya,
Malamig yan, Ate Mars na.
malamig na daw. So, kailangan talaga natin ng kailangan
Yung mga
talaga natin
outfit
ng
na mga-
ano tawag ito? Nung outfit na pang winter.
Pang winter. Kasi yung
Kasi especially pag nasa sa jetty tayo, ano na talaga tayo, Day?
excited ka na?
Stress ako. Ma-stress ako sa taong ayaw makita sa akin. Sinabihan ba naman ako?
Ano?
Ito na ang vlogger na nakakainis panuorin.
Guys, piniinit yung ulo ni Ate Mare. Andito na naman ako guys. Nagpaparol call na naman siya. Sayang naman hindi niyo napanood yung mga parol call ni Ate Mare. Mga attendance niya.
Ayan.
Ano guys, may sakit si Ate Mars. Low blood.
Low blood.
High blood siya, pero ngayon low blood. Night shift kasi siya guys.
Night shift, oo.
All through with the week. Diba?
Oo, 5 days straight.
O kaya yan.
Ayan guys, kuha talaga ako ng energy.
Ate Mars or Kangaroo Island.
Oy, oo,
Oh my
malapit
God.
na yan. Malapit na.
Ano nyo yan guys, kasi maraming ganap namin. Ano mga ganap natin natin? Mag-fishing tayo.
Fishing? Gusto mo punta tayo sa Sahara?
Sahara, syempre.
Punta tayo sa Sahara. Manood tayo ng Silbe.
Sa Silbe?
Yes, Silbe. And then, Admiral Arch. Yan, ang dami
Yan
yan.
lang.
Ang dami. Meron tayong punta tayo sa may, yung about sa mga birds.
Ayan.
Ayan. Ayun. Yung may malaking ibon, makikita mo. rito. Quad bike.
Ano yan?
Quad bike. Mag-quad bike ka.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Mga ganyan, mga ano.
Kung gusto mo yan.
Pero si pare gusto, ano lang yan eh.
Fishing?
Fishing.
Shishoy. O, punta tayo jetty. Doon tayo. Manig ka sa isa
Ganda ng ano, Ate Mars, ng jacket.
Oh, ang ganda talaga.
Crazy Craze. yung may sponsor.
Visit tuloy na. Ano, pwede mo lang naman yan maano eh.
Ito lang.
Oo.
Pero hindi ko ba, ano lahat.
Ayan. O ano, magsasart na kayo?
Oo.
Alex!
Guys, may pa-interview sa akin. Ito talaga tayong umaasenso na tayo. May ini-interview na tayo.
correct.
May pa-press tayo. Ipalabas na mga press.
Pa-conference.
Ay, pumasok ka doon at may conference si Mami. Press
Sandali,
conference.
ha? Nasaan
Maka-hi ka naman dyan. Wow, galing naman sumayaw.
We're born and then how they end, you know. It's like giving life is what I like to do, and helping
you'll
others.
be part of that.
Yeah, part of that
miracle,
special moment. Yeah. So that's what I was interested in.
Yeah, but with Ate, when we have, you know, the like heart-to-heart talk, I will always say, Ate, just consider being a doctor. Yeah, because in the Philippines, you know, it's like it's unfair because you can't really think big. Yeah, you can work hard for it, but not everyone is given the opportunity. But here, everyone, you know,
Is given the opportunity, and it's for free. Like for my
For
back
free.
course, that
That's
all.
good, babe.
And then yeah, you know, I just hope someday I can repay mom
Yeah.
for looking after me.
Yeah, Ate said she's gonna buy me a mansion
Yeah, that's what she said.
and a car.
Wow.
My dream car. She would ask me, what's your dream car? A pink car.
A pink car. Just a pink car.
Just a pink car.
Any car but pink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good, babe. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Honestly,
Hindi mo na reco.
you can just
Guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa mga paano namin, guys? Ubus na yung English ko dito kay Alex, ha? Kanina, galing pa ako ng trabaho, Ate Mars. 9 hours na ako nag-i-English. Andito na naman, hirap na ako. Ganun na ako sa ilong ko, eh. Hindi pa naman dumudugo.
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa. Pero minsan,
Ano problema?
tinatagalog ko na lang, eh. Masyado na
Ano
tayo.
yun?
Ganyan na lang ako. Yeah.
yeah.
Wala lang.
Yeah.
Nag-uusap-usap lang yung pagpapalaki sa ano, Ate Mars.
Sa
Nag-uusapan namin yung pagpapalaki ng bata sa Australia, sa ibang bansa. Kasi na-adapt nila yung culture eh. Pag yung mga maliliit pa
totoo
sila,
yun.
na-adapt nila yung culture. Nakakalimutan nila yung Filipino values. Eh, yun pa naman ang fear ko. Kaya nga sabi ko kay ate, huwag siyang maging bad girl. Umuwi siya sa Philippines.
This is what she used to scare
Yeah.
me. She's like, if you're naughty, if you do something, you leave.
Yeah.
You go back to the Philippines.
Tinignan ko sa Liar kasi pumunta siya doon sa likod ng ating camera eh. Oh, Connor, you go here.
Nah. I can't believe I got
Very low.
But anyway, yes, yan na nga ang nakakatakot. Pero it depends naman how you know, paano mo
Depends sa
pagmalaki.
bata talaga, Ate Mars.
Yeah, that's true.
Kasi kahit meron namang sobrang strict ng parents or medyo maluwag sila or very supportive, pagtarantado talaga yung bata din, gano'n. Kasi Ate Mars, ako, tingnan mo. Bait naman yung
Bait naman yun si
Hindi
ate.
ako, baka ako.
Opposite. Opposite kayo ni ate.
Hindi, Ate Mars, very opposite kami.
opposite na ako.
Very common sila ni Maxine. Hindi humingi ng pera, hindi mahilig magpabili. Yeah, kami the same, mga pasaway. Pero be ha, I'm pasaway na, but
In a way
I was really good at school. Like, I'm very good at school. I'm very obedient. And just it happens, I got pregnant.
Oy, totoo yun. Yun na nga yung sabi natin sa unang vlog. Oo, sa unang vlog. Oy, baka ma-misinterpret. Hindi naman na yung talagang first honor ako, Kung talagang nag-study hard ako, alam ko. Kaya lang pasaway ako eh.
Ay, hindi ako pasaway, Ate Mars.
Ikaw hindi.
Kaya nga, alam mo, ako yung role model ng mga pinsan ko. Magiging ako kay Lovely.
Ay, Christy, talaga.
Tapos ngayon, Ate Mars, wala lang akong kaya harap kasi si Lovely.
Ay, di, inano lang talaga na maganda ka.
Hindi, Ate Mars, everything happens for a reason. Tinan mo, para na kami magkapatid ni Ate.
Oo. Ako nung
30 na ako, may 10 years old na
Yeah.
ako.
Kasi ako ng maaga, na hindi lang ng maaga, maagang maaga.
Ako hindi naman masyado.
Ah.
Pero para sa Philippines, maaga yan, 21.
Ah.
Maaga
Ako naman,
yan? Oo.
Ay, hindi. Mas maaga sa akin, 16.
Kasi Ate Mars,
Age ko lang.
Pagkatapos ng pulse, maglulo sana ako eh. Nalo. Lapit.
Ako naman na-bet. Ngayon, na-bet na yun. Kaya
Sayang yung
yun.
political science ko. Pero at least okay naman din mo, Ate Mars. You know, everything happens for a reason.
Exactly. Yes.
Pero ayun lang yung advice talaga sa mas nakakabata kasi we've been there eh.
That's true.
Talagang
Enjoy your life.
Enjoy your life. Study hard. Kasi mamimiss mo yung pag-aaral, be. I always tell you. Just study hard talaga, be. Take all the opportunity you get. You're very lucky.
Kaya nga ako ngayon lang ako nag-i-enjoy. Kasi malaki ng mga anak ko.
Correct.
Totoo, diba? Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, i-enjoy mo yung life nyo habang bata pa kayo.
Pero ito naman natin, Marsa.
But,
isa ring lesson. Kahit nadapa ka naman sa past mo, hindi yan magdi-define sa future mo. Diba? Diba, Ate Mars?
Oo, may nagsasabi kasi na, ay,
hanggang dyan ka na lang, diskrasyada ka.
Disgrasyada ka. Kaya, ang anak ko, pangbayad din sa utang kasi nga, babae.
Hindi, isipin niyo talaga na, pag nadapa, ganun talaga eh, tao ka. Pag may nadapa, gawin niyo yung best niyo na bumangon ulit. Diba, Ate Mars?
That's true.
Nagtatagalog na ako, guys, kasi hinirapan ako talaga ni Alex, hindi lang ako makapagsalita. Ganyan ako, Ate Mars, kanina. Yeah. Loka talaga eh.
Ay, ako nag-ilogo ako, hindi ko kaya yung buong araw ako mag-English. Nag-English na nga ako sa nursing home, pasaway pa yung mga residente ko, tapos pagdating dito, English na ako. Drain na ako talaga. Anak, let's go out again? No!
It's okay, I don't wanna do that.
Ang alin.
Do a challenge that speak English for 24 hours.
You should. Ako Tagalog pa.
No, ang awkward, Ate Mars. Guys, I'm here at Woolies.
Hi guys!
Doing grocery shopping.
I'm doing food shopping. Jason and I was talking and then I'm doing the vlog. Han, can you get that thing?
What thing?
That thing! Ay, naku, edit ko na lang. Nakakahiya. Nako. Pero oo, totoo yun. Anak, basta ako, support lang si mama kung sino man yung crush mo. Basta alam ni mama. And pero huwag mo magmadali. And always
don't
choose.
rush.
I didn't say the right man. Okay? I didn't say that. Oh, choose the right man. No, because there's not always a right man. Yeah. But okay.
Just know.
Okay.
At MRs, just know your worth.
True.
Don't settle for anything less. You know that just choose the person that is best for you. Ganun ba?
Yeah.
English yun, Ate Mars.
Di no, ako nag-English. Basta yung sa, basta talaga dito ka talaga mag-ano.
Bakit mag-on siya? Sulat.
Hindi, dito ka siya kung saan may sulat.
Siyempre. Kaso
Kaya-
pero si ate wala naman. Hindi sasabi sa kanya ng mga crush na hiya yan.
Talaga. No,
Everything.
Alex, she told me everything. All her crushes, all her
Alex is like,
heartaches, alam ko
They're
yun.
like best friends. They talk about everything.
You should be
Yeah.
comfortable talking to your mom because she's always going to be there.
Exactly.
Or maybe because I'm siya daw yung crush. Ito kahit bawal pa sasabihin niya, mami. ito yung mana sa akin eh. Ulan din.
Guys.
Say hi, guys. Say hi. Ay, no. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. First.
Pero totoo yan, Ate Isha. Just treat your mom as your best friend. Tell your mom your crushes, your heartaches, or if
Your
someone
problem.
telling you, bullying you at school. Sometimes Ate is not really, open much, but I feel it. Because hindi kasi unusual sa kanya yung magsabi. And then yung pag meron siyang, let's say nandun na sa room, I know, I get it again already. Bakit siya nasa room? Kaya, come on, let's get outside. Ganyan, iiyak na siya. Kaya yun ate, just open to your mom. Kahit na madaldal ang nanay nyo pa rin ang ano sa inyo.
Correct.
We will help you. Kasi wala naman yung mga kaibigan. Ito pa ha. Sa mga magbabarkada, okay yun. Magbabarkada, best friend, yes.
Yes, enjoy.
Enjoy nyo yan. Pero always think of it. Sometimes friends may come and go, but the family always there for you.
Yeah.
Yan talaga ang
Main lesson of the day. Lesson of the day.
Lesson of the day.
Pag nadapa, bumangon.
Exactly. Tingnan mo ako I fall pregnant when I was 16. Sino ba magsasabi na dito ako sa Australia?
Yes.
At
At may bagong bahay. Char!
Hindi na ito bago dahil.
At may dalawang pajero.
Correct. Hindi, hard work.
In hard work, guys.
Hard work.
You know?
Hindi naman namin makukuha yan kung hindi kami nag-hard work.
Meron ako niyan quote. Don't let your past define you.
Aba. Saan yung nag-google yun? Titignan ko ba yun?
Kinapit-paste ko yun.
Ano nangyayari sa'yo, Aliyah? Ito na toothbrush mo tsaka toothpaste. Is that ours?
Ay, di ba Ate Mars, di ba kapag di ba nadidisgrasya ka, tapos sasabihin ng mga tao, ay, disgrasyada yan, ganyan. Ikaw kasi very bata ka pa nung time na yun.
I was 16.
So, kailangan hindi ka magsusok na mag-stand ka lang dyan. Kailangan bumangon ka para hindi lang yung pangalan mo habang buhay disgrasyada. Meron kang mapapatunayan sa sarili mo, di ba?
Yeah,
Ano mo na ngayon, successful ka.
When I fall pregnant, hindi talaga ako nag-think na mag-stop mag-school.
Yan.
Dahil na ako sa course ko. Napuntis naman ako kay Alexandra, but that time, I already, opened my mind na, this is not the right guy for me. Pero nung naghiwalay kaming dalawa, I was 2 months pregnant with
Not the right
Alexandra.
guy ha, pero na-shootan ka pa.
Correct. After 4 years ko pa na-realize na hindi pala siya yung right guy ko.
They say that you go through like bad luck before you get to the good one.
Yeah, I know. Because Daddy Jess is really a good
No, but my first boyfriend is
opposite naman. Hindi naman opposite, pero the same.
So that one is destiny though.
Yeah.
Destiny, like
So,
love.
he's my first boyfriend, like first true love, and then we broke up because he migrated here in Australia, and then after a few years, we're back in each other's arms again.
Gusto niya, char. Ayan. So, pero nakadalawa pa ako dun sa tatay nila.
Yun nga, not the right guy pa yan, Ate Mars, ha? Bomba ng vlog natin.
After 4 years ko pa na-realize, nung nagsabi na ako sa kanya, I think this is not good, na magkasama tayo, na hindi ka naman
Nauntin ka na.
hindi na siya ba responsible as a father. So, naghiwalay kami, my God, I'm pregnant with Alex.
At least may ano daw siya, sabi niya sa'yo, farewell gift.
Only girl.
Baka naging niya siya bigyan lahat.
I learned this
She goes to
since I came here. Mom would be like, because when I was young, when I was Isha's age, mom wouldn't really let me out. She'd be like, oh, you can't go there because you're still young. And I would always want to act old. I'd always be like, no, I'm already old enough.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really listen. But then she just wanted me to know my limitation. She just wanted me to know that you're young, you can't do that. But when I got older, she's like, you can go anywhere you want, but you should know your limitation, what time you should come home. If you're gonna be late, you need to tell me.
Yeah.
So that's just, she started from I started from a young age. She was teaching me my responsibilities. And I didn't know that when I was younger, because my mind wasn't mature enough to know.
Yeah.
But you get to, you learn it. Because Isha was saying that you wouldn't let her paint her nails.
Yeah.
And, I said, you're young. Mom wouldn't let me paint my nails, and I used to be like, I used to be really cranky with her.
Yeah.
But then, because I always wanted dark colors. Dark colors. I didn't want baby colors and stuff. I'd be like, no, Mom, I'm grown up now.
Yeah.
But then she was like, you can't do that. But then when I got older, she allowed me. But then, if it gets ugly, remove it.
Yeah.
Because when I had my nails done, I didn't want to take it off.
Yeah.
Because that was like, you know, I only get it like once in a lifetime. So when I got it done, it stayed on there for 3 months. And I said, I don't want to take it off. I don't want to take it off. It got ugly. And I was like, you need to take that off. Because it looked really ugly when I went to school. It would be like coming off and stuff. I took it off. And then now I'm just going to wait again.
Yeah.
But you know, you just get to that right age when your mom will let you do what you want. But you need to know your limitation.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was good.
Okay, Daday? Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Okay?
Penga tubig alin, Diyos ko. Guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo, guys? Ang haba ng chika namin. Pero at least sana may natutunan sila, Ate Mars.
Oo naman. Alam ko naman yung mga nagsasubscribe sa'yo, yung mga talagang nakaka-uplift ka kasi ng ano yung spirit sa kanila. For sure naman yun, Inday.
Okay.
Wala din naman natin sa tinuruan na mapabuntis ang maaga.
Ikaw, tinuruan mo?
Uy, sabi ko nga, huwag na gayahin. Just enjoy the life.
Yeah. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Ate Mars?
Puno-puno
Dinuruan ka ng anak mo. So, yun guys. Uuwi na kami. Babalik na lang ulit kami.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Good night, guys!
See you again tomorrow. Bye!
Mga loves, thank you for watching the entire video. At kung nakaligtaan ninyong panoorin ng aking mga previous video, please just click the link. And for more katatawanan, kabaliwan, and good vibes, please show some love and hit the subscribe button. As I always say, continue to be a living blessing to others. Be kind and may you have a lovely day. Mwah!